In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username on Mailchimp. Now, it's important to start with a quick clarification. In Mailchimp, what many people think of as the username is actually the email address you use to log in. That login email is treated as your account identifier, and Mailchimp does not let you edit it directly from the normal profile settings. What you can change easily, though, is your profile name, which is what most people will see as your display name when you interact with audiences, campaigns, or team members. That's what we'll focus on in this walkthrough. First, go ahead and log into your Mailchimp account in your web browser. Once you're successfully signed in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your current profile icon there. This might be a small circle with initials, an avatar, or a generic icon. Click on that profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear showing several options related to your account. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your main profile settings page, where you can manage your personal details. On the profile page, look for a section called Basic Information. This area contains key details about your account, including your name and the email address associated with your login. Here, you'll notice that the username field is actually your login email address. You'll also see that this field is grayed out, meaning it cannot be edited from this screen. That's by design. Mailchimp locks this field as your primary login credential. However, right in the same basic information section, you'll find the fields for your first name and last name. These are fully editable, and they control the profile name that others see. This display name is what usually appears in various parts of the app, such as user lists within a team account, and it can help keep things clear and professional, especially if you're collaborating with others. To change your display name, simply click into the first name field and type the name you'd like to use. Then do the same for the last name field. Take a moment to double check spelling and capitalization, since this is how your name will appear to others. Once you're happy with your new first and last name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Update button. This step is crucial. If you navigate away without clicking Update, your changes won't be saved. After you click Update, Mailchimp will refresh your profile, and your new display name will be applied to your account going forward.